Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to 9.1 MMR, so mean, median, mode, range. So that's what we're going to be doing for these first couple of problems, is just calculating those basics. First thing you always want to do is order your data set. So 16, 17, and we got two 18s there. We've got a 21, then a 24, two of those 24s, and then a 29. So this is going to easily help us calculate the range, which is going to be 29 minus 16, which is 13. Easily help us calculate the mode, which is actually 18 and 24, since they both occur twice. Easily calculate the median by saying 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, those are the two that are left. So 18 plus 21 divided by 2. 18 plus 21 divided by 2. That's 39 over 2 gives you 19.5. And then the mean is just adding them all up and dividing by how many there are. So we're going to add 16 plus 17 plus 18 twice, plus 21 plus 24 twice, plus 29. You get 167. And we're going to divide by how many we had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 167 divided by 8 gives us a mean of 20.875. So we can say 20.9. All right. I'm going to skip 2 and 3 and move right down to problem like B, 1. So Cassandra's candles sold for the following number of candles over the last 6 days: 25, 48, 25, 33, 57, 50. What is the average number? So basically they just want you to find the mean here. So what are we going to do? We're going to total all these guys up, and then divide by how many there are. So when I total up, we get 238 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get an answer of 39.66 repeated. So on average, she sold 39, almost 40 candles a day. I'm not going to do number 2 for you, but I want to notice the difference. Brian was comparison shopping for DVD players. He decided he wanted to purchase a DVD player that was in the middle, right? He didn't want something that was super cheap because maybe it doesn't have good quality. He didn't want something super expensive because maybe he couldn't afford it. So he said, I want to purchase something in the middle. These were the prices that he was quoted. Which DVD player did he want to select? Basically, you're talking median here. So you want to order those and then pick the middle. Number 3. Chad recently launched a new website. In the past 6 days, he's recorded the following number of daily hits: 37, 29, 37, 56, 45, 38. He is hoping at week's end to have an average of 40. To achieve this, how much must he have on the final day of the week? So first of all, I'm going to total up all of his current hits right here. So that's 37 plus 29 plus 37 plus 56 plus 45 plus 38, and that gives you 242. And now he has been going for 6 days, but he wants one more day, so that means he'll be going for 7 days. And I need to know how many more hits he needs so that he gets an average of 40. All right, so this question mark you can almost turn into a variable, and now we have an equation that we need to solve for. So we do this by saying times 7 on both sides, and we get 242 plus x is equal to 280. We subtract 242 from both sides, and we'll get our answer of he needs 38 hits on the final day to have an average of 40 hits per week. Okay. In a problem like 4, you've got this team scoring all these different runs in their games, and then if they wanted to end the season with the average of 6, how much they score again. So you have to go ahead and say, I have an original total, I'm going to add that to x, and I want my season end average to be 6. Understand that it's divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus one final game that they'll play, so divided by 12. So you need to find that total there and then solve for x. And number 5, Joe and Bill were competing against each other to see who could collect the most bottle caps. If Joe averaged 320 and Bill averaged 340, what did each one collect in December if they collected the following months in the previous months? So I'm going to help you out with Joe here. So Joe averaged 320. So you can go ahead and assume that it was his total plus X, which is the month of December, equals 320. How many months did they collect for? A whole year, right? January through December. That's 12 months. You have 11 months of data that you need to total up and find that total and then solve for X. Same with Bill here, right? Except his average is 340. He does it for 12 months. You're finding December, and you have these 11 months that you need to add up and then solve for X. Right? That's it. Call me if you have questions.